think classic, it classic. Out a road, them a chat it, say. Your program well classic. People can't wait for go watch it, yeah. You think classic, it classic. Your style MC cosmetic, yeah. You think classic, it classic.
I think that for those of you who know about the Rubik's Cube or who have used it in the past, it will give you the motivation to pick it back up again. Or a good thing for children to, take a break from social media and get people to focus. Because I think a lot of us are so we can't get clarity. Our brains are so haphazard. Wayne and I use this cube to declutter our brains at the end of the day. That, it could be used not only for children and adults, but it could also span the entire age range where seniors could also be included. And the ultimate goal after you watching this video is for me to show you how to complete this cube with a technique that Wayne and I have created. And I would love to share that with you. It's going to be Rubik's Cube 101. Rubik's Cube for beginners. It's just a simple technique that we've implemented that we eventually want to share. So, hi everyone. So, today I have here my brother. This is Wayne. And he's been doing this cube thing since the 80s. I know he's been playing around with this. But
40 years.
Over 40 years, right? And I could tell you this much. He will amaze you. He can complete this cube, get it all the colors matching up on all sides. I mean, in 2 minutes.
Under 2 minutes.
Under 2 minutes. So Wayne is gonna show us how it's done.
3 things fix the cube. You have to be patient, practice, and determination.
Right.
So you have to have those 3. If you don't have those 3, forget it. So let's start. You ready?
So what's the first move? What's the first thing you're going to do with the cube?
First you look at the center. The center determines where all the colors go. White, and you have the green, the orange, the yellow, the red, and the blue.
Which color do you start with?
So you start with the white. So we're going to start with the white. All right?
Whoa. Oh.
White's complete. Take a look.
You see that? Huh. So that's called completing the base. All right.
And we're moving to the second stage now, that we call the crown. We're going to fix the first layer.
So what I'm hearing is the crown, remember we're going by colors. So crowning is completing here, there, and there, and there. And by doing so, you have to align all the colors. So you could see this part is already crowned because there is three oranges. So you have to get...
You have to line it up with the center. See, the red complete automatically. And you have the blue and the orange. So automatically just one move out of it right here.
Okay.
So we just do it a move on, all right?
Mm-hmm.
Take a look at this crown. See the crown complete?
Wow.
So we're moving to the middle row now. That's the center. Take a look. You're going to need a color here, and you're going to need a blue here, orange, a green, and a red. So this is where we start now.
Wow.
Second row complete.
So, hold on.
Turn it like this.
Yeah, so you could see.
See it? Second row is complete.
This is amazing. How do you finish the crowning and then go to the middle without messing the top up? That's the trick.
All right. We are going now to the third move. That's we're going to catch the corner them. That's fix the corner to match each corner. See it? all of them out of lining. So I'm going to line them up now to catch the corner. That is the next move of the cube.
Can I up look a bit more to you, Wayne?
Huh?
Yeah.
You don't catch me.
Yeah, man, make it this now.
Complete. See all the corners?
Clear? All the corners are done.
So it's only 4 leaves to complete the cube.
So we need
4 colors to drop.
we need another green here, we need an orange here, and we need a blue here, and a red there.
And a red there.
Don't worry, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm just showing you how the master does it. That's right.
Green complete. Take a look. Out of the 4. So you have the blue is complete.
Green.
Yeah, the green is complete. The red we need a red here, and we need a blue here, and an orange. So we're going to complete the next color now. We're going to complete the orange. I can tell you what's going to happen before it happens.
Oh,
You see that? The orange and the green complete. So there's only the red and the blue.
we need a red and we need a blue.
Okay. One more move leave. Complete.
Look like you're... For a moment there, I thought he was going to just break the whole thing up.
Tube complete.
Oy! Amazing.
Yeah.
So basically, guys,
That's right.
it's an 8-step process.
Eight
Simple.
step.
8 simple steps.
I'm gonna fix the tube from the base, from top to bottom.
All right, so there we have it. So everything all complete. But guess what, guys? There is more. It doesn't end here. There is some versatility. So once you've mastered to complete the entire cube, you could even do different pattern combinations. You know, just using different colors in various forms. I think there is what now? Cube within a cube?
Yeah, cube and cube, and you have the stripes.
And stripes.
For today.
For today. So you will see two demonstrations. Which one are you going to start with first?
I'm gonna start with the stripe.
All right.
Alright, so let's go.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Alright. So here's it now. Crown and stripe. The middle is also striped. You can see that? I'm gonna complete the end now.
Oh, so you're working your way down.
Yeah.
From top to bottom. Yeah. Stripes on the side. And in the middle as well. It's like vertical stripes. done. Vertical stripes. Beautiful, beautiful. So, still kept the white top. Vertical stripes all the way around. Similar colors. It's really pretty.
So you have the white base, the yellow base.
And the yellow base.
White top. You can turn it in a draft board.
Oh.
So you have a draft board base at the two end. Go on a release button. Make it solid.
Oh. And stripes on the sides. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm going to show you the cube in cube. And we're going to do it in the rasta color. That will consist of green, red, and the yellow. So let's go.
Up to your chest, up to your chest. Yeah. Get your face on it one time.
Yeah, boss it, man. You want to bounce the bicycle from the car? No, no problem.
Complete. Rasta color.
Cube and cube.
Cube
There
and
you
cube.
go. There you have it. Sometimes my brain just need a break, you know.
And here is another cube. Or you can call it the L. It's the L. And it's also called cube and cube. But I do it with a combination of the red, green, and gold.
Slow, 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 slow. Turn it slow. Slow, yeah.
There you have it. A Julie mango this.
East India.
East Indian.
Why me keep on and say a Julie?
Let me tell you, you're East Indian.
Jesus.
Early on.
Sitting taste good, you see?
Sweet, then sweet, man.
Sweet like sugar. Taste of diabetes in I.
Yeah, man.
Diabetes?
Understand, I started now. I started now.
No, man, go on that thing, man.
There's a diabetes in
And I think I warm, you see. Me not give you a story about it, we buy apple. And some rotted magic. Like you remember that, you know, magic.
In a apple?
In an apple. Me say, we saw me see it go sitting and I say wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And them call pinworm.
The best apple them that we eat, you know.
I Wayne say.
There's anything I eat and you see one life in there.
Yeah, man.
I heat up a pear up and eat.
That's bad for those need. Jesus.
That the apple, they're good. And it not say you have to heat the worm, them, you know.
But you have to peer it out.
Yes, I eat that, the apple.
Yes, I eat up any substance. The apple, they're not going to apple way. They don't have no substance.
I apple just breathe that backside, you know.
Oh,
This is so friggin' good.
yeah, Lassa.
Can you sure you don't want some?
Let me go, man.
You want some?
I don't want no more, man.
Alright.
Make sure you don't eat our mango first.
That mango,
Yeah,
that
man,
too much here, man. I don't eat the man here.
You want this blasted TT?
The mango have too much here, man.
Me know
I
man,
don't like with it, I never tea.
me know a man where he eat mango. And when he see you, I grow him and eat. He must say, you think I make you go with the substance? And
Yeah, you understand him too. Let me eat all worm when I plum.
Then what I
Let me eat the plum.
So what make it?
Night time in the plum. Hey, hack plum, not about.
No, I'm a plum time.
I went a plum time, September.
Yeah, no, exact time, but I'm a plum time.
Man, people say
Got
all the
plum
mango,
time,
you grow
plum
them
time,
mango and salad, that's it.
Oh.
Last night me I eat one and me I tell her say worm catch me and me have to say
Everybody having worm, you know?
Hmm?
Everybody having worm, you have scan worm. Worm in everybody.
Can't manage a worm them man. Can't manage a
Yeah,
worm
make him
them.
go with the substance. Eat him. As a man, when the man goes and say, yo, you go with all that substance and make it dash you.
Sometimes me don't like take mango off a seed, you know. I don't know what happened to me. Teeth edge up. And you see, I me and go so and the breeze.
You right here?
Yeah.
Right here.
You know what I talk about?
Now,
That's it
tell
good?
you, man.
Yeah man, bright like we still see you man.
Alright.
Yeah, fight with him man. Jesus, peace.
Yeah, that's how my mango, yeah. So hard to come off.
Sure.
Best part, yeah? Best
Yeah.
part,
But
is, you know.
Yeah.
When I know that you know that you will job.
What the backside do? You think me I waste my mango?
That's so sweet.
You think me I waste this a good up mango, yeah?
10 money already.
Until ready. I eat mango.
10 money already man.
Yeah, man.
Mango time. When I said Oliver, I put that past screen.
Yeah, man, go on.
Yeah. That's the East Indian. Sure. Right.
Go slow and get him right.
Alright. Blasted here in my teeth. What I said to feed half full. Remember you?
Hold on,
Remember you know?
so now you couldn't ride up on the grass?
You want to get strong.
Let's get strong.
Yeah.
Muscle boy get muscle in their leg.
Yeah, man. I'm
Like a boy.
practice.
Just when you see me, I don't want to add $1 million smile there.
I'm practice.
Give me $1 million smile there, boy. Oh, Jesus!
All right.